Ram was earning 3 lakh and Roy got 6 lakh package. Ram was not good at academics but he was eager to learn about financial freedom. Whereas Roy was studious, he thought that only working throughout the life would make him rich. As a result, Ram was earning 3 lakh with his small business at 22. Roy was earning 6 lakh. He thought that Ram was so stupid, he was just wasting his time. Now, I am earning 6 lakh over the period of time. I can retire with crores of coppers at the age of 60. At the age of 60, Ram and Roy both met at a party. Roy was shocked by knowing that Ram had a retirement corpus of 40.96 crores, whereas Roy himself had barely accumulated only 1 lakh anyhow. Roy asked Ram, "How did you do this?" Ram says, "Okay, I am telling you, but tell me first, you were earning 6 lakh at 22. Didn't your salary increase?" Roy said, "My salary increased to 30 lakh from 6 lakh over the decades." "That's great," Ram said. "So why do you barely save only 1 lakh rupees?" Ram asked. Roy said, "As the salary increased, my expenses also increased. Some money saved also went into EMIs like home loans, car loan, etc." Further, Roy says, "Anyways, you tell me how you created so much wealth." Ram says, "Okay, listen, I was about to earn money from my business at 22, but little confused about how to grow money. So I watched the video on how to double your money of First Finance Jaruri Hai that changed my life. I am grateful for it." Ross said, "Seriously?" Ram said, "Yes. In that, I learned the concept of double money with the help of Rule of 72. Roy asked, "What is Rule of 72? Ram says that the Rule of 72 helps you to know how long will it take to double your money. If you can get 6% return on your investment, in that case, 72 divided by 6, which is equal to 12. That means it will take 12 years to double your money at an annual interest rate of 6%. So, if you have 1 lakh and you can get 6% interest on that, you can double your money in 12 years without doing anything. I was generating 2% on my business every month, so I was getting around 24% annual return. In that case, 72 divided by 24 is equal to 3. That means I can double my money in every 3 years. So I tried to implement it in my life. When I was 22, I got 24% on my 1 lakh rupees from my business. See this table so that you will have a better understanding." Roy was regretting why he didn't know this when he was in his early 20s. Anyways, I hope you understood this story. So don't make the mistake like Roy did. But now you will say Ram was doing business, so he was able to generate 24%. But we are job going person. How can we do? Simple, with the help of investing. To double money, you have some of the ways. Putting money in FD, stock market, gold, or get a new high paying job, real estate, and etc. etc. So you will ask me, how much time does it take to double money in FD? Well, if you look at the FD returns in the last 10 years, it is around 2.2 to 9%. Let's assume 5% after deducting tax. When you divide 72 by 5 is equal to 14.4 years, you will take 14.4 years to double the money in FD. And when you look how much time does it take to double money in real estate? Real estate return in the last 10 years is around 9%. So when you divide 72 by 9, which is equal to 8. So you will take 8 years to double the money in real estate. If you look at gold return in the last 10 years, it is around 11%. So when you divide 72 by 11, which is coming around 6.5, that means you need 6.5 years to double the money in gold. And when you look at the index fund, it is around 15% to divide by 15, which is equal to 4.8 years. That means approx you can save 5 years to double the money in stock market.